Join me as I dive into this brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max and see if it really lives up to the hype. Can I find out if it's worth your hard-earned cash? The iPhone 16 Pro Max has been one of the most anticipated devices in the tech world, with rumors and leaks swirling around it for months. Fans of the iPhone series have been eagerly waiting to see what Apple has in store for them, and I'm excited to finally get my hands on it. When it comes to choosing a new phone, we've all been there stuck in analysis paralysis, trying to decide which device is right for us. With the iPhone's premium pricing, it can be a daunting task, especially with so many options available in the market. Do you go for the latest and greatest, or do you stick with what you know and love? The iPhone 16 Pro Max is certainly an attractive option, but is it worth the hefty price tag? The dilemma is further complicated by the fact that most of us aren't tech experts, so it can be hard to cut through the jargon and marketing speak to get to the heart of what really matters. As consumers, we want a phone that's going to meet our needs, fit our budget, and maybe even impress our friends. But with so many devices on the market, it can be a struggle to find the perfect one. So, what makes the iPhone 16 Pro Max so special? Is it the sleek new design, the improved camera, or the lightning-fast processor? Whatever it is, Apple is certainly banking on it being a game changer. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. It's time to unbox this beauty and see what's inside. The first thing that caught my eye is the stunning new Pacific blue color. It's absolutely gorgeous. The phone itself feels incredibly premium, with a solid build quality that exudes luxury. The new camera system is certainly impressive, with a quad camera setup that promises improved low-light performance and some amazing new features. Apple has also tweaked the design of the camera module, giving it a sleek new look that's definitely going to turn heads. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is packing Apple's latest A14 Bionic chip, which promises a significant boost in performance and power efficiency. This thing is a beast, and I can't wait to put it through its paces. But what really sets the iPhone 16 Pro Max apart is the software experience. Apple has made some significant tweaks to iOS, adding in some amazing new features that make this phone feel like a truly next-generation device. My initial hands-on experience with the iPhone 16 Pro Max has been nothing short of amazing. The phone feels incredibly fast and responsive, and the camera is truly stunning. One feature that really stood out to me is the new Super Retina XDR display, which is absolutely breathtaking. It's like looking at a work of art with colors that pop and a level of clarity that's hard to describe. The iPhone 16 Pro Max also boasts an impressive battery life, with Apple promising up to 12 hours of internet use on a single charge. That's music to my ears, as I'm always on the go and need a phone that can keep up. The camera quality is also exceptional, with the new quad camera setup delivering some truly stunning shots. The phone's AI-powered image processing is incredibly impressive, and it's clear that Apple has put a lot of work into making this camera system truly exceptional. Overall, I think the iPhone 16 Pro Max is an incredible device that's definitely worth considering. With its stunning design, blistering performance, and amazing new features, it's a phone that's hard to ignore. So, what do you guys think? Are you excited about the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Or are you going to stick with your current device? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech reviews and comparisons.